Okay, when you get to the banking section, banking unit review, I just want to make sure you realize that these formulas here apply to that section, and you can use keywords in the problem to see which formula you're supposed to use. So, for example, if the problem talks about simple interest, you have four choices of formulas here that you could use, and it's based on the variable that you're solving for. So, if it just asks you how much interest, we're going to solve for this guy right here. Also, if it asks you for a balance, we know that we can take the interest from this formula and add it to the original principal. So we can use this same formula here. If they ask you for a principal, we're going to want to use this already isolated formula. If they ask us for a rate, we could use this one. If they ask us for a time, we could use this one. So those are all the simple interest formulas. Then if the problem starts talking about compounding, we know we can move down and use the compound interest formula. The present value of a single deposit is if you're taking a lump sum and putting it into the bank over time, and you're trying to shoot for a future balance. Like I'm trying to save $10,000 in the next 5 years. That's using this present value of a single deposit lump sum. And then these bottom two are the periodic formulas, meaning if you see something in a problem that talks about compounding, and then it says a key word like each month or every year, that means it's periodically depositing money, then you're going to use one of these periodic deposit formulas. Now, if you're looking for specific examples, you can click on these live links here from the doc that's attached in the Google form into the Google Classroom. And that way it gives you examples of what those problems might look like. And finally, here's a variables, what each variable stands for in the problem, so you can refer to this if necessary, okay? So don't forget about this formula sheet when you are doing your banking unit section.